Many thanks that you're still there. So these are the other indoor vegetable planting I've done, which is on the other side of my room. So as I said, I planted runner beans, tomatoes, chili, and also lettuce, Brussels sprouts. Yeah, then later I will move everything and transfer it on there at the backyard, my garden. So as you can see, they are grown up. I think it just take less than a week. We call this French beans, yeah. And the other runner beans on the other box are now sprouting. Okay, the tomatoes, and there you can see the lettuce, small runner beans, and the Brussels sprout. It's like a little cabbage. Okay, I pray and hope that you will subscribe and you will see more of my video regarding doing gardening at home. More especially during this lockdown, it's good that you will have your own business or organic vegetable that you can eat. See, those are other vegetables just planted the other days. And this already sprouted tomatoes. So I pray and hope that you will subscribe to my channel, okay? Again, this is Simon and hope to see you back, okay? Thanks a lot and God bless.